All right, boys, what is up? Today is Thursday, April 22nd. I apologize for the inconvenience. I know I'm very late. It's currently 4:13 p.m. Took one trade today, one win. Let's get into the trade recap for you boys. So I've been sick all day. I'm sorry. That's why I haven't really been posting shit, but feeling much better now. So let's get into this trade recap. So coming into market open, I'm not going to lie, I had mixed confluences. I was bullish and bearish at the same time. On the 4 hour, I did see we were bearish. Even though we broke structure above this, we were still resting inside of this 4 hour bearish fair value gap. If we hop down to the hourly, we can see we are clearly more bullish. My final condition was this 8 a.m. candle closure that closed above the most recent swing high, giving us a bullish breakup structure. Now we had these draws on liquidity, London highs, and this hourly high up here. These are my draws for the day. I mean, you can count these as well. We also have this daily fair value gap resting above us, which I pray I can long to tomorrow, because I do not want price to just overextend itself. These were our draws for the day, right? Now, how do we approach these draws, right? So if you hop down to the 15-minute chart, ignore this chop, hop down here. There's a trade that George took, and there's a trade that I took, right? So we did have this 15-minute and 1 hour order block as well. That's also an hourly order block and a 15-minute order block inside of a bullish 15-minute fair value gap, right? These were London highs, very clean draw on liquidity. This is probably the cleanest trade of the day. Was this long right here? Unfortunately, I did miss it and did not take this trade just because the RR was cooked. My stop would have been down here. So it would have been like 0.7. Did not want to take that. Second trade was based off. Kept ripping, taking out all our draws. We did have this bullish 5-minute that I saw price created. And we did have this bearish 2-minute. So what I wanted to see happen was price come out and inverse this 2-minute. And we could get a valid long to these levels of buy side, being just this level, right? Unfortunately, we did not get that 2-minute inverse. What we did get was a tap into the 2-minute, a rejection. And then I saw that price is coming back up, invalidating the original rejection, right? Let me see if I can show you guys. Move my face cam a bit. Here we go. Shit, where the fuck was it? Where you at, bro? Fuck. All right, here. I'm always missing candles. I don't know why. But we have this bearish 2-minute with a draw above us. Price taps into it, rejects it, and then price comes back up, kind of telling us that the rejection was not valid. This is not a confluence. This is more of a market experience type of play. I did think it was a CISD when I was taking it, and then I realized that we did not take this low. So that was my bad on the trade recap. If we did take this low, right, it would have been a sweep of sell side and then a candle closure above the previous swing high before a take of sell side, right? So this would be a CISD, but it was not, because we did not take out sell side. That was my mistake in the TikTok, so I apologize for that. But I did enter off this candle closure, targeting this high. On my evals, I took partials here, and on my personal, I just ended up holding till here. But yeah, that was the trade for the day based off a 15-minute kind of continuation, I guess. It was a weird trade because we did want to originally take this high off this 15-minute continuation play with the 1-minute CISD, but the RR was not there. So we saw more levels of buy side to be taken, tapped into a bullish 5-minute, right? So it's more of a just 5-minute fair value gap with 1-minute confirmation. Very small scalp. Quick and easy kind of trade. Nothing too complicated. Was not based off an inversion, was not based off a CISD, was not based off an order block, breakup structure, anything. Just a simple 5-minute fair value gap tap. Waited for a 2-minute to be rejected and then to be kind of not even inverse, just disrespected. It wasn't inverse at the time, but it was being disrespected, so I did enter in long there. And I'm currently only on 5 top step evals because I did blow my accounts. So I'm on 5 top step evals, and I'm on 3 Alpha Capital accounts, but God knows if I'm going to get paid out by them, because I have to make $16,000 per account to even get a payout. So I'm going to take those slow. But yeah, see you boys tomorrow for a trade recap then, and Hope you guys learned something today. I apologize that the video was late, but yeah, hopefully you guys learned something. If you have any questions, comment, let me know on TikTok, Instagram, whatever it is, and I'll be there to answer. All right, peace out, boys.